automotive YouTubers be like, today we're gonna be fully building my LS VTEC. Here it is, ta-da! All right, but for real, today we're gonna be showing you how to actually assemble this bottom end. The head is already assembled from before. If you wanna watch that video, I can link it up here. But for today, we're actually going to be assembling the bottom end. I'm not buying a pre-built bottom end like 90% of all YouTubers do. And if you haven't been following along, please make sure you smash that subscribe button so you can get updates on when and how this car comes together. This is going into my B20 VTEC CRX. If you haven't been following, I got a complete build on that, and I've got a complete build on this Z32 going on behind me. Actually, tomorrow I should be reassembling the heads on the VG30. All right. Welcome back to the channel, you guys. If you've been following along and you've watched the last video, you probably know by now that things have gotten kind of out of hand with the Honda. I got it all together. It was running. It was making a horrible noise. I did a whole bunch of diagnosis on it, trying to find the noise. Couldn't pinpoint it. At this point, I'm pretty much certain that it's in the head. It has something to do with the cam journals. I got the bottom end torn apart right now. Today we're going to be going through this and basically rebuilding it. I got some new ACL race bearings for it, new thrust washers for it. So we're going to go through and check all the bearing tolerances on this, install new bearings on this motor, and just to really refresh it, give it a new life essentially. We're going to start with the main caps, get the crank set in here, position the piston rings properly, get them pushed in. And hopefully by the end of today, we'll have a fully assembled bottom end. At that point, it's just a matter of putting the head back on it. But I'm gonna check the oil tolerances in the head on each and every cam journal. Maybe one of the cam caps got mixed up between my two sets of cam caps. So we'll figure that out. I really think there's something going on there. If all else fails, the head's being sent off to the machine shop. Gonna get it figured out. I'm gonna do it myself. I refuse to send it to a machine shop. I'm probably going to eat those words because it's probably going to end up going to the machine shop. Alright, so real quickly before I pull these out, I wanted to make sure that all the the main crank journals all look good. Looking at these, it all looks like normal wear and tear. So I'm just going to pull these out and get the new ones put in here, and we'll set the crank in and check tolerances on the new bearings.
I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous. I know that I gotta stay away from all your games.
So just going over these real quick. Pretty sure we want to be between 0.011 and 0.001 and 002 on these. But we are right between 0.001, 0.002. We're right on 0.0015. And do the same thing for that one. But everything else looks good.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you frowning, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music I'm saying.
Somebody else to love me one day.
All right, I don't know if it's obvious or not, but I'm kind of running out of room here. But I had to position my piston rings here so that they're good and ready to go.
Yeah. Unknown Brain. Marvin Devine. I'm saying bye to all the lies and all the times you cried, saying that I wasn't right, yet I was right by your side. You manipulator, playing games, your friends commentators, and I don't know what you say about our private conversations, but it's got them hating. Thanks to all the rumors you be claiming. It's cool, I'm done with you, so they can throw you a celebration. You gon' hate it when you see me with somebody living better. I'm trying to tell you that me just doing me gon' have you jealous.
Okay, let's see what we got. As you can see, there's the plastic gauge right there. And I have my, let me put this in inches. You probably want it right around 0.0015. So we're gonna go ahead and check that. And that is pretty much spot on there. I'm not sure if that's clear enough for y'all. And then check this one over here. Pretty much same thing. It's actually a little on the tighter side, but I think it'll do. Alright guys, so far so good. We got 2 of the 4 done. Pretty sure the other 2 will be alright, but I'm going to double check anyways because, like I said, you can't really trust the manufacturers. They say that they're standard size, but there may be a slight variance here and there. So better safe than sorry. I'm going to check over them before we throw the rest of this thing together and do the final torque. I was just thinking, I already got these rods where I want them, so I'm going to go ahead and actually just torque them down right now and call these done.
Yeah, my life is lovely now, I'm focused on me. You said you were about to die, I guess the car is on E. But see, I ain't even tripping, cause I just chose to believe that somebody gon' come around and give me just what I need. I don't wanna see you flying, see you looking down and out. Coming to me crying, saying you miss having me around. Gave you chances and you blew it, you so easily influenced. All the times you told me beat it, now you gotta face the music, I'm saying I know that I gotta stay away from all your games, yeah. I know that I found somebody else to love me one day. You'll realize the grass ain't greener on the other side, no. You did me dirty for the last time, so now I gotta say goodbye.
Alright, that looks pretty good to me. Let's see here. Right on the money. Same thing here. We're good. So I was using plastic gauge for the oil tolerances on the bearings, but to be honest, I've never thought about using plastic gauge on the head. I couldn't really find any specifications for the tolerances on the rod journal or camshaft journals for the oil tolerance. What I can do at the very least is run plastic gauge across every single one, and if one of them is less than the other, that's probably where my problem is. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Gonna get it figured out. I'm gonna do it myself. I refuse to send it to a machine shop. I'm probably gonna eat those words because it's probably gonna end up going to the machine shop. What I've done so far is I actually plastic gauged the cam journals torqued everything down, put it all together, and then tore it all back apart. Checked out the plastic gauge in here. These I actually did multiple times, so they've kind of worn away. So these two cam journals on the end here are appearing to be a little bit larger diameter than they're supposed to be. I swapped them out before in the last video. You're not supposed to do that. The cam caps are supposed to stay with the head. I had nothing to lose. I have nothing to lose at this point, right? So I swapped them out just to see what would happen, just see if that would make the clearance any better. Swapping them out to the other cams on the ends where the cam gears are. I swapped them out for my other set, and it does seem to be a little bit tighter tolerance. Everything else seems to be okay except for these two on the end. So I think that pretty much solves it. All right, you guys, I guess that's gonna do it for today. If you learned anything or if you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you want to follow along as I get this motor put in the CRX, goal for this go around is about a little over 200 horsepower. And that's only because we're on low compression pistons here. These are 8.8 to 1 compression B20 pistons. Eventually we'll switch to like a 12 to 1 high compression piston, but for now, this is what we've got to work with. Once the head gets back from the machine shop, we'll be throwing that on. So if you want to follow along, make sure you hit that subscribe button. I got Z content coming next week, hopefully tomorrow, next week for you all. But tomorrow I should be assembling the heads, or disassembling, porting, and reassembling the heads for the Z32, my VG30 I got on the engine stand over there. Still waiting on the clutch from McLeod Racing. Please, 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 please finish that thing up, you guys. But anyways, we'll catch y'all next time. Take care.